Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're all doing well. In this preseason testing video, originally it was going to be 2 days, but day 1 didn't go to plan. So we're going to fast forward straight to day 2.
Yeah, thank God.
All right, so we're going to arrive at the track and unload the go-karts and get suited up.
Man, I look sexy.
And then at this point, what we're going to do is put the go-karts down, and we have to split sessions. So then we have to wait for other classes to go out.
Yeah, while you're out there, I'm literally losing my wheel.
So
that's what's happening right now. We're about to see that in 2 seconds. Worst. There I am. Oh my gosh. And if I miss this session, I was going to have to wait another hour to go out. It was the
As
worst.
you can see, I'm coming in to really help him out. Like, I'm very, very concerned about the issue. And
the wheel fell off. My wheel did not fall off, by the way.
As you can see, I'm changing my torsion bar because I'm messing with that this session. And then my booty cheeks were sticking out there, but anyways, I'm gonna go back out for the rest of that. We're gonna go back out for. And then yeah, that was basically it. That was basically session 1, and yeah, and my dad has camera issues, so having to.
All right, so I'm about to go out for our session 2, and I've got a chin mount, as you can see, but the chin mount turns out to be so heavy, it's pulling the helmet down over my eyes. So I immediately have to come in. I keep having to push my helmet up and work on that. So again, great idea, but just didn't work out. So I come into the pits, I'm trying to take it off, and then Sebastian's still out there driving.
All right, so then back out on the track. For this session for me, tire pressures were way too high, so I was kind of sliding all over the place, and these are pretty old tires. And the only thing that happened that was eventful was my friend passed me in his shifter cart, and that was about it.
Shake and bake.
Coming to the pits, I'm just gonna check my EGT settings, mess with the needles, and that was pretty much all of session 2.
All right, so I'm going out for my 3rd and final session. Turned out to be a really good session. It was the hottest session of the day. The tires felt great, kind of got rid of all the problems and issues I had before. So I set my fastest times, and yeah, I was pretty happy with it.
Yeah, and that's basically the same story with me. The grip dramatically increased. We fixed the tire pressure issue, and obviously as the track evolved, it got much better, and we had a pretty successful session.
Yeah, I can say after 2 days, though, I was pretty tired, especially being off for a few months. And there was a car show that was happening, which was pretty cool.
There was a pretty cool car show going on across the paddock. Here's some cool clips from that, so we'll show that on screen. But thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and see you guys in the next one.
See ya.